Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Dodge Journey. First, gather your essential tools, including 10mm and 13mm wrenches, a car jack, and jack stands. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. The battery is uniquely located in the driver's side front wheel well, meaning you will need to remove the wheel for access. Now, let's access and disconnect the old battery safely. Begin by loosening the lug nuts, then carefully jack up your vehicle and remove the driver's side front wheel. Next, remove the wheel well liner to fully expose the battery. It's crucial to disconnect the negative terminal first using your 10mm wrench to prevent electrical shorts. Afterward, disconnect the positive terminal and remove the battery's hold-down bracket, often requiring a 13mm wrench. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new installation. Batteries are heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with care. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminals to ensure optimal contact. Your Dodge Journey typically requires a group size 86 battery. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely, then fasten it with the hold-down bracket, tightening it snugly. Finally, let's connect your new battery and complete the process. Always attach the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your 10mm wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it's also snug to prevent loose connections. Reinstall the wheel well liner and the driver's side front wheel, torquing the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Start your vehicle to confirm everything is working perfectly, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.